Hi lovies, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for coming back. I'm very grateful and thankful for you guys. I really don't know if you understand how grateful and how thankful I am because of you guys who are watching my video right now. But to make story short, I love you and appreciate so much your support. But if it's the first time you're watching my video, hello, how are you? Welcome. My name is Glory Mtui. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to share with your loved ones. Today I'm going to show you a quick way that you can do twists. Either you know how to do twist or you don't know. I like to start dividing my hair into two sections so that it will be easy for me to make even lines. So after I make middle line, I secure one side, and this is how the line looks like. So after here, I'm going to part each side. I'm going to make two lines. So here it's easy for me more than to start directly with that, part my hair into two. And this is how the first line looks like. So I secure this section and I'll apply some shine and jam gel just to help me hold all my hair well. So after I finish applying gel, I take brush and I brush my hair just to make sure everything there nicely. I'll be using this yarn, but you may use any kind of yarn. You may decide to use the big yarn or to use thin yarn. So here I'll use only single yarn. I don't want double my yarn. And here you may decide either to roll on top or to roll under your natural hair. But if you roll under, the first line's curve will not show nicely, like the person who rolled the hair going upward. So what I'm doing right now is I will roll my hair upward so that the first line can show nicely. So after I roll my hair, the first yarn will pass a little bit back from my edges, and then the second one will be front to the place I want my lines to start. But here you have to be careful, don't pull too much because you don't want to break your edges. And the second one will be followed from the second one, no? And the third one will be followed from the second one. And every time I make sure I'm going the same direction. I mean if I start to put the needle from right, I'll make sure I pull out from the left. I hope this makes sense. And every time I make sure I'll not pass the needle mid of the yarn. I'll follow the procedures. Finger always there to give me to know like the distance between one twist to another. So before I pass the yarn, I'll touch the previous twist with my finger and I'll know the distance. That will be easy for me to make this twist. If you're worrying, use this kind of needle, you are going to hurt yourself. You may find a plastic needle also do a good job, same like this needle. But for those who are asking like where I got my needle, this I got is from local store supplier, but I'll find the link from Amazon and I'll put the link in the description below. So if you want to get one, please check the link in the description below. I'll put the Amazon link. So I continue make twist till end of this line, and don't forget this hairstyle you can achieve whether you know how to braid or you don't know how to braid. This is the easiest way. Hold on, all my tutorial there. Easiest way? I don't know. Let me know in comment section, honey. So I continue make twist till end of the line, and after end of the line I'll remove the needle, and then the yarn remaining I'll use wrapping the tail of my hair. Very simple like this. Another important thing before I forget is when you are using big yarn and when you're using that small and thin yarn, it's very different. Using this big yarn like the one I use, it's very easy to take this hairstyle down, but using that thin yarn, it needs more time, more attention to get or to notice where that yarn pass so that you can pull them out. Otherwise, if somebody is going to do this for you. How I braid middle, I make sure my hands is back like I want to touch my ear, and then the fingers turn and I hold front hair, and from there I'll start make twists, and I'll start rolling and make twists. And as I said, all the lines I roll to the same direction because I want all the line looks same. So before I make twist, I make sure I roll so that I can get nicely twist. And as I said earlier, to avoid to make twist 2 times, or to avoid to seal one place twice, my finger is there to help me notice the distance between previous twists and the one I want to make. So even in back, using my finger, I can feel like the distance between one twist and another, and this makes things even more easily for me to achieve this hairstyle. But the most important thing is you have to roll your hair first before you make twists, so that you can seal in all your hair, and all the hair, no matter how short it is. And guys, the good thing of this hairstyle looks a little bit like stitch for those who know how to make stitch. So for me, I feel it's a kind of good style that I can wear for a couple days.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found for you and our safe and sound. And we just slow down for you and our safe and sound. We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found for you and our safe and sound. Can we just slow down? And we just slow waste another day.
So to spice up my style, I take half pack of Marley hair. This is only half pack of Marley hair, and I use rubber band to secure middle. Then I use this rubber band to attach back of my hair. Then I do a kind of twist, but loose twist. It's just do something simple, easy, that can take your hairstyle to the next level. And I twist it till end. If you don't have Marley hair, you may use even Afro Puff. The result is also awesome. So after this, I'll also use bobby pin to secure this Marley hair back. Take your time, honey, and don't pin your bobby pin too in, because oh my goodness, if you pin wrong way, bobby pin is very painful. And guess what, guys? This is the final results for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching this video and you get something. If yes, kindly subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your comments in comment section, and also don't forget to share with your loved one you wish they know how to make this hairstyle. I love you so much, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.